visual story, two powerful scenes speak without words, two different scenes, two different stories. One figure holds on, hoping for rescue. One waits, believing someone will save them. Another walks forward, choosing action over waiting. The other decides to move ahead alone. Both face uncertainty, both stand alone, but only one chooses to act. The message is clear and direct. Help may exist, support may appear, but the first step is always yours. Strength is not about who stands beside you, it is about who chooses in the moment of doubt. When life tests you, hesitation keeps you still, decision moves you forward. The real turning point happens when you decide to act. Today's lesson is simple: choose yourself.